LifeKeeper is a system designed to detect circumstances which could be dangerous for your health, and if you want, to help you optimize your exercise activities. The discrete LifeKeeper device captures your biosignals and sends them to your smartphone via a wireless connection. In your smartphone, the LifeKeeper app assesses risks and generates alerts and suggestions. You can use LifeKeeper with total discretion while you go about your everyday activities: sports, leisure, work, or relaxation. LifeKeeper sends you alerts, warnings, suggestions, and recommendations when necessary. It offers guidance and helps monitor your sports activities and provides reports on your data and trends over time. The LifeKeeper device captures biosignals using high-accuracy technology and innovative calculation algorithms. The LifeKeeper app treats biosignals taking into account your specific profile, your event history, and your replies to simple, targeted questions. It applies the latest inference, forecasting, and risk assessment methods. Some of them are widely applied by large companies to prevent unexpected failures.